Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete a company in HubSpot.com. First things first, we have to create obviously an account here, but you're familiar, we don't have to go with or through this stuff again, and log in into our account. Once we are in here, we have two companies at the moment running or created in our account, and let's say we want to get rid of TMF because it's no longer a valid lead and we won't be doing any business with them in the future. So what we have to do is either click on the TMF company and go to actions, click on actions and press delete. You're about to delete the company TMF. Once deleted, this company may be restored for up to 90 days. All you have to do is click on delete company. This is the one way how you can do it. Or we go back to companies and click on this window to the left of the name of the company. Right here, when we scratched it in, we can also scratch even tech tips 1, but let's not do that now. Click on TMF and we press delete. You're about to delete one company. Deleted companies can be restored after 90 days. And this is somehow of a safe switch where you have to write down the number of companies that you actually want to delete. So if I'm going to press the Tech 1 tips and click delete, as you can see, we are currently have to type 2 to delete them. This is very nice tool. If you are like, you really wanted to scratch only one and you only wanted to click on TMF, but somehow you didn't click on TMF, but you click it here and press delete. And now you have type 2, but you're like, wait, what? Like I want to create, I want to delete only one. So you cancel it, you go back and you see, yeah, okay, I made a mistake. So you are going back, delete, and press 1 again. Now the delete button shines out and you press delete. One company was deleted. This is last resort button. You just press restore. In restore, you click on the company you want to restore and press restore. Now you're about to restore one company. Use the text field below to confirm the number of companies you want to restore, like this, and you press restore. When we go back to contacts and companies, you see there are 2 of them yet again. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day.